So, ladies and gentlemen, we were building our studio PC and we ran into some technical issues with our audio and with one of our recording rigs not working correctly. So, we wanted to bring the studio build to you guys. We wanted to do the build together and we wanted to make it a video that kind of jump-started us recording at the new studio with doing our really awesome studio PC build. We wanted to throw two 3090 Ti's, an Elgato capture card. We were going to be running a 5800 XT. We're using the Asus Prime 570X Pro motherboard. We had a thermal tape glass enclosure, a full-size ATX case, AIO liquid cooled CPU header cooler, 64 gigabytes of Corsair RAM. We had 1300 watt EVGA PSU, which is our power supply. And we wanted to do this build with you guys and we kind of messed it up. So what you guys get instead is a wonderfully made montage of the build that I thought was really neat when I built it. I kind of did, I don't know, tell me what you guys think, but here's our studio build. Let's roll the intro and let's jump into it. Thank you for watching another Dr. Cloud Studio video. Alright, you guys see that right there? I can zoom in a little bit. I was wondering why you were like looping it, but I see that.
You kind of know where these need to go based on
Or whatever, but it's a 4 prong, right? IO pumps, which you can there. That's the C. That's the C. We slot the GPU in forward.
And honestly, I would honestly go ahead and put money on it.
Am I better coming more towards me or more towards you? Putting that stuff in your hair and on just in the middle of your build, make sure you make your adjustments. We have our thermal liquid, then you can match RGB, whatever type of look you're going for. Using the thicker the metal, the more heated. A liquid cooling block, I believe this is what that's called. It's a liquid cooling block.
This is a good example. Need every wire possible in the world.
Better approach than what you already had. They want to know what's the bare minimum they can throw in. Running them from the back of the case. Yeah, so you want the 16 pin first?
Yeah. All fed to me first. Plug.
So I'm about to hand these VGAs next. You got 1, 2. Come back. I'm gonna give you one notepad.
Get it ready, and then we'll come back and show you how we fix them.
I'm done. We're shooting for 2. We wanted to, and also draw his life insurance ready. It's okay. Power supply screwed in. For the exhaust back here we have, though I didn't want RGB right now. I was like Leon Lee.
Now normally, in most cases we'll either have these panels or they don't. I'm just using the right screws. See how that one went in, but the other one didn't?
We are working on the last 3. That's on either AMD and NVIDIA side. Doesn't matter if you go.
Sometimes spending money does not equal
right? Because eventually content creators for children to watch, we have to legally let YouTube know on PlayStation. And I'm just kidding. Now, if you're 17 and you're building your own PC,
as you can see on the motherboard,
I think we saw. But at the end of the 3.0, we have a microphone, we have an audio out. It doesn't matter if the board has power, this is up here rather than back.
At that point, you're talking about. Right, if it doesn't work, then you're not going to have to worry about storage devices. We're going to try this one first. You determine which .2 you want in first.
Now we're just slotting in .2. Alright, here it is.
There are little screw holes all over the place.
And another one up top right here. And we just want more. There's going to be a lot of as much support as possible without too much.
In the racial variance, one video have to have the most expensive thing in the world. I mean,
this for me. You got the windscreen. Did you say that right?
No, No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No.
No. Okay. Anyway, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So we definitely botched the original filming, but you live and you learn, and we know how we're gonna approach shooting build videos in the future. So definitely like and subscribe so you don't miss that content. So for anybody following along with our How to YouTube right now in 2023, for you guys, we shot that using a iPad 11-inch Pro. And it was a 3rd generation iPad. And we shot it in 4K 60 frames, and it did a wonderful job edited with iMovie. Our next video will actually be a deep dive into iMovie and a full tutorial, but a quick one on how you guys can jump into iMovie and definitely start editing your videos and adding more flair to it, like we're learning right now. And we want you guys to also catch on to these neat little tricks that are just here. iMovie offers it all. I swear by it. I'm enjoying it so far. Thank you for watching another Dr. Cloud Studio video. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta go, but join us for our next one.